All right. Good morning and welcome to Coffee with Cross. Bing! Let's get jittery. All right. Today I am going to continue to fill out some of the core systems. Okay. Let's see this. Let's actually shut this down. Huh, why is it doing that? Alright, we'll have to tune that later. Let's see, let's fill this guy up. Oh, that's not bad. Boop, boop, boo, boop, boop, boo, boop, 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 boo. Let's see, resources. Icon. Do that. Let's go back to here. All right, what I did is I just went to go find a generic icon. We're going to drop it into here. And what we're going to do, let's go find that panel. Okay. We are going to go find, start adding customers. Oh. Not even opening the right project, I think. I'll have to copy this over. back to here. I hate this. Okay, there we go. Do that out. I need every bit of disk space I can get these days. All right, now we're gonna have this icon. There we go. Drop this here on the panel. Now, actually, what we need to do is turn this icon into not a texture, but sprite 2D and UI. Apply this. All right, now I can drag this to my panel, and it'll show up. It'll be an image. Let's see here. Should be on screen now. Let's see what it looks like here. Is it there? Do we see it? Okay, let's not do it as a sprite. What we're going to do is we're going to go to panel and create UI image. Okay, now we're going to ditch this, delete this, go to this image. Now this image is what we're going to turn into an icon. There we go. Now let's do 70, nope. A little bit more. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of tweening, but I think what I'll do for now is something really simple. Okay, let's go to Tools, Window, Asset Manager, and I've got one that I've used before that I really like, which is let's see, where are you? I think it's actually easy. Easy UI motion. Yep, let's put it all in. blah, 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 blah. Okay, image, let's go to component. Our easy UI motion should be in here, which is UI effects. Simple motion. There we go. Let's not make it interactable and not block raycasts. And let's do customer enter. Let's just call it that for now. And let's make this motion. Move effect, enable move effect, move to user defined position X. Let's try this as is 50 wide, right? Let's call this 100. Oh, let's see. This 50 that. Come on. Oh, why nothing work? Why nothing work? Yeah, let's just do this for now. Play on play on play on play. Actually, move this. Let's put in a. So let's put him right there. And what we're gonna do is actually add this component. Start open motion. Okay, now image customer icon. We're going to open motion is going to be a move effect. Enable move effect from the right. Ease linear, ease time, delay to start. Okay. You know, I've never dealt with putting prefabs into using prefabs on UI. Who knew? Let's see if we can sort this shit out. Let's play it. Let's see here. Wait a minute. Open it to start, enable move effect, move in from the right. So weird. Apply this, okay. Let's see how that works for us. Here he is. Okay, so it's moving ahead of time. Let's do a 1 second delay on that. And let's make the ease time 10 seconds. Delay the start. Let's make it like a 3 second delay and then we'll get it. There we go. There's our customer. Let's get boop. Okay, now let's do, find this guy. Let's do this. This should, there's our preview. Let's open this up in Photoshop. Look at that. Control Shift I. Let's do this. On this again. Control Shift I. Make this bucket color totally white. Now I'm making it totally white so that at runtime I can make it any color I want. Let's see here. Save it out. Okay. Give it a second. There we go. It's updated. Let's go. All right, let's run some experiments now. See, tools, new script editor. Next week I'll make all this geometry into, the terrain into actual geometry. Okay, let's do a new graph file. Let's save this, save graph. Restore. Queue, and this is the customer queue. Actually, it's just call it customer. I think I might actually do, instead of putting it in the spawner category, I'm just going to put it in. So basically, it's a customer manager. There we go. Nope, don't assign it. Let's do a couple of things. Add action. Events. Game events. Graph events. Add action. Time. No. I hate my mouse. Hate my mouse. Stop compiling, mother. All right, let's get jittery. Hey, Joshua True, let's get jittery. How's it going, man? Oh, well, at least you're excited about it. Uh, uh, Hey, man. So today we are working on. Hold on. Let me save this. And we'll go back to the game for a second. Blah blah blah. Compile, compile, compile. Do 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 do. Today we're working on. Come on, show me the game screen already. Thanks. See this little customer down here in the bottom left? I'm basically going to start working on the queue. So customers will come across by some sort of logic. And I think what I'll do today is I'll just put them on a constant timer. So like every 5 seconds, they'll they'll spawn off screen, or they'll spawn and come in, and then they will auto close out. And I think, actually, now that I mention that, let's do this one more time. So the way I've set this up, Josh, is there's an easy motion thing for UI, and I have that, and that you can find that in the asset store, and you can drop it on UI elements and animate them. But let's do auto close after, let's call it 6 seconds, and then the close motion, enable scale effect. Scale effect 2000, ease linear, ease time will be something like 0.3 seconds. All right, now apply that to the prefab. But the one thing I don't know is I've never spawned prefabs on in UI before, so I don't know what the quirks are going to be. So let's do that first. In fact, let's not do it this way. I sort of set that up for myself, but let's init add action game. Is this going to be a game object? Because I've got it set off as a prefab, so let's do spawn prefab. Delete selected. Let's do action game object spawn prefab at location. Actually, delete selected. I saw another one in there. Spawn. Spawn child prefab at location. There we go. We can set the parent. So after this delay, let's spawn a prefab. Let's go get this name. Okay. Not doing that. Let's do parent. Let's call this panel underscore Q. Let's drag this in as a game object. Okay, do we need to, we don't need, I don't think we need a spawned game object, but let's just, I'm not going to unhook it. Yeah, it could be strange stuff with anchoring, so we're going to have to see what happens. In fact, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook it from, oh, for Christ's sakes. I seriously can't, there we go, Jesus. Let's do it this way. Add event. Input event. Okay. We'll do this on that. We'll do add action. Sorry, condition. That's an action. Events, filters. Input event filter. Let's hook this up to question mark. What's going to be slash? Do 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 do. Baby Josh is on. Hi, Josh. It's just me and Josh. Hey, Josh, are you playing any games these days? Right. Empty game object. Didn't assign my script. Crypt of the Necro Dancer. What? Is that on Steam? Oh, here they come. Look at that. So they spawned at 000. Okay, let's go figure that out. Rhythm game roguelike? What? That seems crazy. Still spawn position. You know what? Let's do this. Because I think this is going to be a bunch of iterations to figure this out. We'll start out with 25. And okay. All right. Well, I'd love to check it out. Check it out, yo. Who's our manager? Come on. Come on! Make this public. Make it public, Josh. Make it public. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Boo. Boo. Do 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 do. Not yet. Is it any good? It seems like mist. Pew. Oh, look at that. Not too bad for a first cast, eh, Josh? Let's see where it ends. Okay, let's do... Huh. It's interesting. They're not... There we go. Pew. Another customer. Another customer. Another customer. And another customer. Okay. Now, there we go. There's our actual view. It's having some interesting effects, but I think there's going to be some bugs I could fix later. It's generally doing what I want it to do, but it seems to be picking up some values of how far or wide the screen is, depending on how dynamic it is, and it shouldn't do that. Oh, that is lame. Okay. All right. Let's do a couple of things. Oh. No, I don't care about position of stopping right now. I'm just sort of plugging in some values key just to get it going. I want to get the sequence of events right. So he spawns, they walk from left to right. I can change their colors. So let's do. In fact, that's where we'll do it. And in fact, I'll show. It'll show up on screen, and I'll clean it up later. But we'll do this: finish spawning, add action. No, we do. Set color. Let's look at this one, icon. What's this called? Color. Okay. GUI set color. Let's go here. Make it red. Sorry. Actually, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is sorry, hold on. I'm seeing the chat go, but just keep my brain focused on this. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I want to spend $40 on Mist again. Is it Mist? Yeah. Yeah, it's weird though, but like I don't want to play Mist again necessarily. Oh, well, good. Mist is not a great game. There are a lot of sort of cleverer than the player game design puzzles in Mist. You know how many times? You know how long it took me to do the sound puzzle in the subway? It took a long fucking time because I was playing really low because it was nighttime and I didn't want to wake my roommate, so I couldn't tell the difference between two of the sounds. Okay. All right. Here's our first blank customer. Uh, there we go. There's our random colors. They'll come through as different customers. And then when they get there, they're fading out right now, but I'll sort that out. Now, when they get here, Keep, they'll spawn a dude at the whatchamacallit. But first thing I need to do, let's move our barrel. Oh, shut up, neighbors. Blah, 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 blah. I like to talk. Blah, blah. Oh, I think I'm finally kind of waking up. For Christ's sakes. It's not in play mode, motherfucker. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. If it bleeds, we can kill it. So I'm just gonna keep looking. Okay, Lenzo. Let's go Lenzo. Come on, mother effer. Yeah, well, I'm just not gonna wait. Screw it. Resources. Let's do. Oh no, did we crash? Do. Reopen it. Cancel. And then send it on bug report. I have no idea what caused that. Let's hope I can't repro that, right, Keeb? Bug. Hey, Keeb, I was trading some text messages with Lynn the other day. Bug. Speaking of bug, let's see here. Let's go to Linzo. Let's grab another prefab. No? Oh. I only pulled in one. Let's pull in another one. Yeah, he's writing. You know, he's doing his thing. Still hanging with Maggie. Yeah, man, Unity 5 is way more crashy. Feels like it went out a little half-baked. Import some shit. Let's see here. Oh, let's just import them all for now. Oh, that's painful, dude. What's wrong with running Cherry in 5.3? Oh, when you switched over, you couldn't open your level, could you? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, wasn't there a dev note on that? Doot 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 doot. You know, I've been playing a lot more League of Legends lately. It's kind of crazy. Come on. Come on! You know, I sort of miss when Unity was fast, not really well built out, and, you know, being built on by like 30 guys. It was nice because I felt like it was so open to opportunity, and it was a main draw for me to use over Unreal because it was so light. Now that it's becoming more pro, I wish there was a checkbox preference place where I could just turn off features, and I know there is, but I mean, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, give me this super light version. I'll turn stuff on when I need it. I'm gonna have to jump into my preferences and turn off some lighting bits and pieces. There we go. right, here we go. Let's do some prefab. Let's get the Explorer prefab, drop him into my resources folder. Resources. See, okay. Now, let's get action, event. Okay, hold on. I have to remember how I'm going to do this. Let's go to our canvas, look at our customer queue, find this customer icon. One of the things that I like about this easy motion is that I can send events from here, which is on close starting. Do this runtime, editor and runtime, because I want to see it working. Let's send a message to what did I call it? Manager, customer, right? New function. There we go. What we'll do is on and event. This is kind of a workaround, but I'll show you this. I don't think I can get the straight up event signal, but what I am going to do is get a on update. We're going to condition comparison between compare bool. We're going to set up a bool gate. So on, let's call it late update. We're going to add bool. Create linked variable. We're going to take this bool. We're going to call it can spawn customer. We're going to set its value to false to start with. When it's true, action, the first thing I'm going to do when it's true is set it back to false. Okay, so let's do action variable bool set bool. Now, what this does is set the bool to false. Take this boolean, drop it over here. Okay, after it's set to false, now we're going to do this. Nope. So add action game object spawn prefab. I'll do this and we'll put a spawn point in when it's set false. Right? We're going to do that. We're going to set up a linked variable. We're going to put our prefab name in here, which I've already copied. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, which is going to be prefab. Okay. Okay, the spawn point. We're going to create an empty over here. Create empty. SPPT, we'll just call it that, underscore customer. Okay, let's go find it. Let's go put it, okay, let's do two things. One, let's grab this barrel. It's now close to the edge of the screen. Take a look. Okay, now let's put our spawn point here. That's what I thought. And put it, no! Right about there. A little bit more. Right there. And let's put it a little bit up and see where he actually spawns. Save this. Ah. I can't? Right. Let's see. Spawn name we don't need. Let's. You know, let's just take it that far. Rolla. That's a different show, Ro. I've cast only at night. It's on a whole different streaming channel. I take donations. In fact, I have a Patreon account for it. Come on by. All right. Oh, that's not gonna work. Hold on. My camera initialization's done some weirdness. Let's go to our kill this canvas Q. Function. Aha, hold on. There we go. Can spawn customer value. Nope, make public. There we go. You can't find me on chat roulette. It's my, I don't know. I'm sure there's another one out there that's purely like nakeddevcams.com/clownpenis.fart/pirate octopus Japanese porn. Shit. Skip a step. Hold on. Go back to here. Let's see. There we go. Manager, customer, function. I say we go get the motherfucker. What the who? Canvas group. Alright, no function. No, yes. No, yes. There it is. Bool can spawn customers. So when I exposed the bool to the inspector, it showed up here in the event drop down. So we're going to set can spawn customer to true, which will get caught by this update function here. And then when this is true, it'll set it false again, but the signal continues to go when it's set false, and it'll spawn the prefab of the customer at that location. Okay. And we need to apply that so that each prefab does it. Oh, fallowmime.tv. Brilliant. It's like puppetry of the penis 24/7. Let's get my camera set to where it should be. I'm gonna have to fix that bug because it's freaking annoying. Oh, hey, little dude. There's a little guy down there. What's going on, man? Okay, so what we're doing is we get a new customer. They're coming in towards the table. They're different colors. I'll make those colors mean something soon enough. Right now they're just random. When this icon disappears, and we'll tune this timing later, it spawns this Explorer dude. Oh no, they're all coming in, it's crazy! Alright, and now let's do not maximize on play, pause it, pause back. How many explorers do I have? Okay, that's fine. I lost something somewhere because each one of those bastards, it should have made a bunch of them. Oh, I think it's going to crash again, and that might actually just be my cue to end the show. Hey, there we go. Okay, let's see if I can figure this out real quick, quick. 10. Let's make him twice as big. There we go. Let's go for that, and then let's look at this piece here. Apply that shit. Save it. Because I don't trust, we're gonna go check one more time down here. See? Look at that. No. Come on. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to send or receive this message since it's not saving to the prefab here. I'll think about that. We'll do it next week. But let's see this first customer work again. There we go. Okay. Boop. He gets to the end. 6 seconds. Spawn a little dude. Ping! Alright, now let's spawn a couple more customers. Oh, I gotta take out that delay time. Yeah, I'll have to do something in script to actually make them spawn something when when that bit ends. But we'll do that next week. I also need to make these clones delete themselves. Okay, all right. Have a great weekend, guys. I will see you next weekend for episode 52, meaning 1 full year of Coffee Across. Actually, it's already been a year, but minus the 2 or 3 weeks that I took off here and there. Anyway, I don't know. Maybe I'll try and commemorate the show in some way. I'll put a big stuffed bear behind that curtain, or oh, Yanni. Everybody loves Yanni. Who doesn't? Okay. All right. Hasta luego, everybody.